All right, that's a Vachette VIP. It's all standard pins, but it's got a really nasty keyway. I was using those Sparrow 12,000s picks on that, which worked really well. So let's get this gutted, stick it on the tray right there. I really need to clean this desk one day, not 2 days. Okay. What do I do with the key? Oh yeah, there it is. Let's just drop some stuff. Talk about cleaning the desk and then everything falls off. So, all right, let's get this clip off. These clips suck. The clip's as hard as the lock. All right, I'm gonna keep fighting with it because that's what we're going to do here. Almost had it there. Almost had it. Come on. So close. It's a dumbass clip design. All right. Okay. And we got some passive key control stuff there. This works with the dimples on the key. Those are inactive, so no need to pick them. And I'm assuming all the key pins have this these drivers on top because the key pins themselves are so small. I think I've actually got 2 masters. Zoom that in a little bit. Focus. There we go. That one's got 1, 2. Okay, that's just 1 pin there. Okay, so these are the key pins. They just put these masters on top, I think, to get them just enough room to move the key pins, because otherwise these things are extremely small. And for the gut of the drivers, like I said, it's all standards, so here's 1, 2, 3. Stump springs. Come on out of there. Five. We'll just put the springs anywhere, they don't matter. All right, and that's it for the Vachette VIP. I'm gonna show you that QI so you can see just how tight that is. I was using 12 thousandths picks, and if I can get that to focus, I was basically getting the pick to go right through that little tiny bit of light on the side. So, not much for picking, just mostly keyway is the difficulty there. So, all right, thanks for watching.